Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore your purchase on the Tinder app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile to access your account section. This is where you can manage all your personal settings and account-related features. Once you're in your profile, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is the universal symbol for settings. Tap on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. This section contains all the important configuration options for your Tinder account, including payment and subscription management. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Take a moment to look through the list until you find the section labeled Payment Account. This is the area where Tinder handles all transaction-related matters, including purchases, subscriptions, and refunds. Once you've located the payment account section, tap on it to open up the payment options. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Restore Purchase. Go ahead and click on this option. This feature is specifically designed to help you recover any purchases that may not have been properly applied to your account, ensuring you get access to all the features you've paid for. After tapping Restore Purchase, a new field will appear on your screen. This is where you'll need to input your confirmation number. The confirmation number is a unique code that was generated when you made your original purchase, and it serves as proof of your transaction. To find this confirmation number, you'll need to check the email receipt that was sent to you after completing your purchase. Open your email app and search for the Tinder purchase confirmation email. The confirmation number should be clearly listed in that email, usually near the top or in the transaction details section. Once you've located your confirmation number in the email, carefully type it into the field on the Tinder app. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears in your email to avoid any errors. After entering the confirmation number, tap the Submit button to complete the restoration process. The app will then verify your purchase and restore it to your account. And that's it. Your Tinder purchase has been successfully restored to your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.